Today, I'm gonna tell you about TidyCal. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to Upzone's YouTube channel. TidyCal is a scheduling solution that makes it easier to manage your calendar and get more bookings. An intuitive appointment scheduler that helps you book more meetings. Schedule free or paid meetings at the times that work for you by sharing custom booking pages. Tap into rich integrations to sync your calendars and accept payments easily. If you've ever tried to coordinate a meeting through email, DMS, or text messages, you know the struggle. That's why it's important to have the right scheduling tool. Getting started is as easy as connecting your Google or Office 365 calendar and creating a booking type. Update the event duration and padding around it to avoid back-to-back meetings. Then select your availability for your booking type, which means you can turn off specific days and create time blocks. And with TidyCal, you get all the features you need to make booking easy. Creating a booking is as simple as entering a title, setting the URL, and writing your description. From there, pick a duration, mark your availabilities, and publish. And if you're trying to be extra, you can include qualifying questions, a confirmation page, and even take payments. Plus, you can set whether you want your event to be a one-on-one meeting, or if it's open to multiple people. Like if you're hosting a mastermind, a yoga class, or group coaching. Simple, effective, intuitive. Your attendee will automatically see the meeting link using your Zoom, Google Meet, or a custom URL to connect. They can add the meeting to their calendar, and both of you will get an email confirmation and calendar embed directly in your inboxes. TidyCal also automatically sends reminder emails to the attendee 24 hours, and 1 hour before the meeting will not be missed. Plus, all of your past and future bookings will appear on your booking screen. In just a click, you can view more details or cancel if something comes up. You've just got to set up your integrations. And while you're there, don't forget to integrate your Google, Microsoft, or Apple Calendar. Once you do, TidyCal automatically scan your calendar for availabilities to make sure you never experience a scheduling conflict. Then, just hook up Zoom or Google Meet and TidyCal takes care of creating and sending meeting URLs. If you want to go even deeper, set up automation through Zapier or an API. And one last thing before you start meeting with clients and prospects, don't forget to customize your booking page. Upload your cutest headshot as a profile pic, set your brand color, and drop in all your other important logistical info like time zone, language, and currency. Once you've finalized everything, you're ready to send out your TidyCal URL or embed your calendar on your website to start booking more appointments. Say goodbye to coordinating meetings across time zones and calendars, and say hello to the ultimate solution for booking. Meet with colleagues and clients easily with TidyCal. Once the meeting is booked, TidyCal will automatically send a confirmation email to all participants. Plus, you and your client will be able to cancel or reschedule the meeting hassle-free, so everyone is on the same page if anything changes. Optimize your schedule with custom booking pages and calendar integrations. Make your calendar work for you to set your availability, meeting length, and more in just a few minutes. The simplest way to book and schedule meetings. With TidyCal, you get everything you need to manage all your bookings and turn prospects into paying customers. Take control of your schedule using one tool for all your calendars. So, click on the link below to TidyCal for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.